All right, this is our improved HVACR instant repair kit. The kit comes included with our Part A bonding fluid, our Part B bonding cells. We have bilingual instructions, our 60 grit sandpaper, and then our new improvements, we have our precision brush tools and our applicator tool for horizontal and vertical surfaces. So here we have an aluminum pipe, and we're gonna do that hard to reach underneath surface, horizontal surface for this instruction. So first what we're gonna do is, with neutral pressure and cleaned off, so all that's already been done, we're gonna go and take our 60 grit sandpaper and we're just gonna rough up our pinhole. Let's get a good surface going. Okay, once we do that, I'm gonna take our Part A. I'm gonna put it on our precision tool here. 1 drop will do. Just make sure it gets in there good. All right, once we do that, I'm gonna take our Part B with our applicator tool that has these easy to push bulbs. I'm just gonna fill it up a little bit. And then we'll line that up. Take the top and push it. And just make sure you push it up real good and make sure it's on there. And you'll always know it's on there because when you'll look, you'll see you're missing space here. So after we have that, I'm gonna take our precision brush again, add another drop, and add it onto our bonding cells here. Within 20 seconds, we have an 800 PSI hold and a full cure after 20 minutes of 1800 PSI. So as you can see with this tool, we actually use very minimal product, which is also a very cost-effective addition to this product. This is our improved HVACR instant repair kit. The kit includes our Part A bonding fluid, our Part B bonding cells, our bilingual instructions, our 60 grit sandpaper, and then our 2 improvements here. We have our precision brush tools and our applicator tool for vertical and horizontal surfaces. So in this example, we have a vertical aluminum pipe that we're gonna show here now. So first we have a neutral pressure wiped clean off of any oils or anything like that. I'm gonna take our 60 grit sandpaper and I'm just gonna rough up this edge a little bit here for our pinhole. All right, and once we have a good roughed up edge there, I'm gonna take our Part A here and our precision brush tool here. 1 drop will do. Just add it right there in our spot. All right, once that's finished here, I'm gonna take our Part B bonding cells and our applicator tool. So in this example for vertical surfaces, we're gonna be using this part. We have a beveled area here that will allow the bonding cells to sit. So you're gonna take this here and then we're going to just throw some in there and it's gonna fall into that crevice there, and then you're just gonna go up there. And as you can see, everything went on there. Now, if you wanna do a double time, you can, just to make sure, and you can also do different layers depending. So once we do that, I'm gonna take our Part A bonding fluid again and our precision tool, our brush here, 1 drop, put it over that. And within 20 seconds, we have an 800 PSI hold, and in 20 minutes at a full cure at 1800. And as you can see right there, we have a roughed up edge. And with this tool, it allows for minimal wasting of the product too, which is great and cost effective.